everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor. And today's session, let us discuss about 2B Senior Maths, important 4-mark questions from the chapter Definite Integrals. As this chapter carries 2 4-mark questions, coming to question number 1, evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power pi by 2 x divided by sin power pi by 2 x plus cos power pi by 2 x into dx. So, as we know that we have a formula that is integral 0 to a f of x into dx, integral 0 to a f of x into dx, we can also write as integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Student, you know this formula, integral 0 to a f of x into dx, we can also write as integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. Listen carefully. Consider given as I equal to 0 to pi by 2 cos power pi by 2 x by sin power pi by 2 x plus cos power pi by 2 into x into dx. This is our equation number 1. Whatever it is given, integral you consider as I. Now, if you observe this, which is in the form of integral 0 to a f of x into dx. So, this is our function f of x into dx. How can I write integral 0 to a f of x into dx? We can also write as integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. f of a minus x into dx. Here a in the sense what? Pi by 2. Understand? This is our f of x into dx. Interval is from 0 to pi by 2. We can consider 0 to a. This etla undi 0 to a f of x dx. Etla rayachu integral 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. And em rayachu x place lo I can write I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 cos power pi by 2 x I can write as a minus x. Here a in the sense pi by 2 minus x. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇక్కడ a in the sense pi by 2. We can write as a minus x అంటే pi by 2 minus x. Okay? By sin power pi by 2 into pi by 2 minus x plus cos power pi by 2 into pi by 2 minus x. Okay? Now we know that cos pi by 2 in the sense 90, cos 90 minus theta. What is cos 90 minus theta? Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. I mean sin power pi by 2 x divided by sin 90 minus theta. I can write as cos power pi by 2 into sin 90 minus theta. We can write as cos theta. I can write as cos power pi by 2 into x plus cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta I can write as sin theta, sin power pi by 2 into x into dx. So this is our equation number 2. Now what we will do, let us add equation number 1 and equation number 2. Add 1 and 2. Equation number 1, left hand side, here also I, here also I. I mean I plus I, that is equal to 2I equal to integral 0 to pi by 2, which is our cos power pi by 2 into x by sin power pi by 2 into x plus cos power pi by 2 into x dx plus what we have right hand side here, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power pi by 2 into x by cos power pi by 2 into x plus sin power pi by 2 into x dx. Right? Children, if you observe carefully, as the denominators are same here. Here also sin power pi by 2 into x plus cos power pi by 2x. Here also sin power pi by 2 into x plus cos power pi by 2x. I can take LCM as 0 to pi by 2. LCM as cos power pi by 2 into x plus sin power pi by 2 into x Okay, if LCM, I mean denominators are same, directly I can add numerators. So what is our numerators? Our numerators are cos power 5 by 2 into x plus sin power 5 by 2 into x into dx. Children, did you understand? ఇక్కడ మనకి LCM ఏంటంటే sin power 5 by 2 into x plus cos power 5 by 2 into x. LCM same, then I can add directly numerators. So cos power 5 by 2 into x plus sin power 5 by 2 into x into dx. I can cancel this. So what I will get? 2i equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. So nothing means in here 1 cos power 5 by 2 into x plus sin power 5 by 2 into x, both gets cancelled. We got 1 into dx. Okay, what is the integration of dx? As you know, derivation and integration both are opposite each other. Atla plus and minus atla plus minus కొట్టుకొని వస్తాయి. అట్లానే derivation integration both will get cancelled. Okay na? So integral dx is x, children. What are the intervals? Intervals are from 0 to pi by 2. అర్థమైందా? What is the integration of 1 into dx, which is x? Intervals from 0 to pi by 2. Okay? ఇక్కడ ఈ రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి కనుక మనకు ఓన్లీ 1 into dx ఓన్లీ వస్తుంది. Okay? First let us apply upper limit, that is pi by 2, and then lower limit 0. ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ? ఫస్ట్ x ప్లస్ లో అప్పర్ లిమిట్ తీసుకోవాలి pi by 2 మైనస్ x ప్లస్ లో లోవర్ లిమిట్ తీసుకోవాలి. సో 2i ఈక్వల్ టు pi by 2 మైనస్ 0 pi by 2. ఇక్కడ 2 మల్టిప్లై చేస్తుంది, ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ i ఈక్వల్ టు pi by 4. So children, what is the value of i? I value is pi by 4. Students, this is the most important 21 board model paper question. Damn sure they'll ask this question this year. Okay? Now coming to second question, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x into dx. Again children, which is also in the same formula, integral 0 to a f of x into dx. ఇక్కడ f of x అంటే this is our f of x, sin power 5x by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x into dx. Then ఎట్లా రాయొచ్చు? This is our I. Let us consider this as our I, which is equation number 1. This I can write as integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5 into f of 0 to a f of x into dx. I can write as 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. ఇక్కడ a value pi by 2 అంటే x place లో pi by 2 minus x. Here also in the place of x pi by 2 minus x. Here also in the place of x pi by 2 minus x into dx. What is pi by 2? 180 by 2, 90. Sin 90 minus theta. We know sin 90 minus theta what? Which is cos theta, right? I can write as cos power 5x by sin 90 minus theta, cos theta, cos 90 minus theta, sin theta into dx. This is our equation number 2. Now add 1 and 2. Equation number 1, I, left hand side, here also left hand I plus I, 2i. At last the 2i, I plus I, 2i. Here now integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 5x by sin power 5x plus cos power 5x into dx plus ఇక్కడ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఏముంది? ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to pi by 2 cos power 5x by cos power 5x plus sin power 5x into dx. Okay na? Again, if you observe carefully, again LCM same children. 2i equal to integral 0 to pi by 2. LCM ఏముంది? Both are same, so that we can add directly numerators, right? So numerators are what? Sin power 5x and cos power 5x into dx. అర్థమైందా children? ఇక్కడ numerator sin power 5x plus cos power 5x है. ఇక్కడ కూడా numerator sin power 5x cos power 5x है. So directly I can add numerators. Right? Both gets cancelled, you'll get 1. అంటే 2i equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 1 into dx. 1 into dx అంటే dx. What is the integration of dx? Integration of dx is x. That is from interval from 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2. So let us apply, let us take first upper limit pi by 2 and then lower limit 0. Pi by 2 minus 0, how much children? Pi by 2. So I equal to pi by 2 to the 4. Any doubt children? What is the integration of dx? X. Interval from 0 to pi by 2. First upper limit తీసుకోవాలి minus lower limit తీసుకోవాలి. Pi by 2 minus 0, pi by 2. ఇక్కడ 2 multiply చేస్తుంది transpose. 2 to the 4. So I equal to what? Pi by 4. Both are same method. So children, if you practice these two sums carefully, you will get sure 4 marks, no doubt at all. Now coming to third question, evaluate integral 0 to pi by 4 sec power 4 theta into d theta. Children, how can I write integral 0 to pi by 4 sec power 4 theta? I can write as sec square theta into sec square theta into d theta. Because as bases are equal, powers should be added. 2 plus 2, again you will get 4 only. And we have an identity. What is our identity? Sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Minus tan square theta you transpose. So sec square theta I can write as 1 plus tan square theta. Yes. In the place of sec square theta, I can write as 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta, right? Into sec square theta into d theta. Okay, children. What we did? In the place of sec square theta, we wrote as 1 plus tan square theta into sec square theta into d theta. Okay. Now listen carefully. What you do? Let us consider tan theta as t. In place of tan theta, put tan theta equal to t. Okay, what is the tan theta derivation is what? Sec square theta. Again theta derivation d theta, t derivation dt. Because we are doing with respect to theta. Children, tan theta derivation sec square theta, again internal derivation theta derivation d theta equal to t derivation dt. Tan theta derivation sec square theta into d theta, which is equal to dt. So in question if you observe here, what do we have here? We have sec square theta into d theta. And a sec square theta into d theta place we can write as dt. అర్థమవుతుందా? First sec square theta ni we can write as 1 plus tan square theta. Again this sec square theta d theta as it is. What we consider? Let us consider tan theta as t. Tan theta derivation sec square theta, theta derivation d theta, again t derivation dt. And the sec square theta into d theta plus lo dt right. So integral 0 to pi by 4 1 plus tan theta we consider as t square into dt. అర్థమైందా? Sec square theta into d theta plus ఏం రాస్తాము? dt. Okay. This separately I can write as integral 0 to pi by 4 1 into dt plus 1 into dt plus I can write as integral 0 to pi by 4, or else simply at once we can write 1 plus t square we will write into d theta. So directly let us apply, or else t square into dt. Okay children. So what is the integration of 1 into dt? As derivation integration gets cancelled, you will get t plus both intervals are same. T square integration is t cube by 3. That is from where to where? That is from 0 to pi by 4. 0 to pi by 4, right? So here one more thing I have to explain here. Instead of writing 0 to pi by 4, listen children. As our intervals are from where to where? Intervals are from 0 to pi by 4. Okay na? 0 to pi by 4. So if it is theta, intervals are from 0 to pi by 4. But here, which is not in the form of theta, but it is in the form of in terms of t. As the function, it is in terms of t. జాగ్రత్తగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసినట్లయితే ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్వెల్స్ 0 to pi by 4 when it is theta. కానీ మనకి ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్ ఏముంది? ఇట్ కేమ్ ఇన్ టు ద ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ t, రైట్? yes. మనం ఏమనుకున్నాము? tan theta we consider as t. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ if theta equal to 0, interval from 0 to pi by 4 కదా, lower limit is 0. If theta theta equal to 0. అప్పుడు ఏమైతది t equal to tan 0. tan 0 అంటే 0. అంటే ఇంటర్వెల్ ఏమైంది లోవర్ లిమిట్ 0 అయింది. నెక్స్ట్ అప్పర్ లిమిట్ ఏముంది అప్పర్ లిమిట్ pi by 4. ఇఫ్ theta equal to pi by 4 అప్పుడు ఏమైతది t ఏమనుకున్నాం మనము we consider t as tan theta అంటే tan pi by 4. tan pi by 4 వాల్యూ ఎంత tan 45 వాల్యూ 1. I mean 0 to 1. చిల్డ్రన్ కొద్దిగా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటుంది, సో డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్. If it is intervals are from 0 to pi by 4 when it is theta, but it came into the form of t, right? If it is t, then intervals changes from 0 to 1. ఎట్లా చేంజ్ అయ్యి అర్థమైందిగా theta equal to 0 తీసుకుంటే tan 0 వాల్యూ 0. ఇప్పుడు theta equal to pi by 4 తీసుకుంటే t equal to tan theta tan pi by 4 వాల్యూ 1. అంటే 0 to pi by 4 changes to 0 to 1. అర్థమైందా? సో ఫస్ట్ let us apply upper limit. 1 plus 1 cube means 1 by 3 minus if you apply 0 0 plus 0 by 3 only. Something it is 0 only. 1 plus 1 by 3 how much children? Which is equal to 4 by 3. So which is the most important question? They may ask for 2 mark question or else they may ask for 4 mark question. Okay? Practice చేయాలి బాగా. sec power 4 theta sec square theta into sec square theta into d theta గా రాయాలి. మళ్ళీ sec square theta ని 1 plus tan square theta గా రాయాలి. tan theta ని tn గా అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకోవాలి. Then we have to produce result, right? This is our third problem. Now coming to question number 4, integral 0 to pi by 2 dx by 4 plus 5 cos x. dx by 4 plus 5 cos x, right? Children, we have the formula. What is the formula for cos 2a? What is the formula for cos 2a? As we learned in intermediate first year, cos 2a formula is what? 1 minus 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. What is the formula? Cos 2a equal to 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. Right? And what is the formula of sin 2a? 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. Yes? So, but here, if you observe properly, what do we have here? We have cos x. Okay, we have cos x. How can I write as cos x? Cos x, I can write as 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Right? How can I write as cos x? I can write as cos x as 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. ఏం చేయాలంటే this type of method sum లో actually it is in the form of integral 0 to pi by 2 1 by a plus b cos x form లో ఉంది. ఎట్లా ఉంది? ఇంటిగ్రల్ 0 to a 1 by a plus b cos x into dx form లో ఉంది. అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? we need to consider put t equal to what? t equal to tan x by 2. అప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? then cos x is I can write as 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. I mean cos x I can write as 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Cos x ఎంత రాయొచ్చు? 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. How can I write as dx? How can I write as dx? dx we can write as 2 dt by 1 plus t square. dx we can write as 2 dt by 1 plus t square. Children, did you understand why we are writing like this? Once again I will explain. So in this type of problems we need to consider as tan x by 2 as t. అది ఎట్లా వచ్చిందో కూడా చెప్తాను. tan x by 2 we need to consider as t. Okay na? So what is the derivation of tan x? Tan x we can write as secant square x by 2. Again internal derivation x by 2 is 1 by 2. X means dx equal to dt. Okay na? So cross multiplication, that is 2 dt equal to secant square x by 2. How can I write as secant square x by 2? I can write as 1 plus tan square x by 2 into dx. So we consider tan x by 2 as t, I mean 1 plus t square into dx equal to 2 dt. So dx I can write as what? 2 dt by 1 plus t square. అర్థమైందా ఎట్లా వచ్చిందో? dx వాల్యూ 2 dt by 1 plus t square. ఏమనుకుంటున్నాం? We are considering tan x by 2 as t. Tan x differentiation secant square x by 2, again x by 2 1 by 2, x derivation I mean 1 by 2 constant to x derivation dx equal to dt. Cross multiplication 2 dt equal to secant square x by 2 I write as 1 plus tan square x by 2 into dx equal to 2 dt. As we consider tan x by 2 as t, 1 plus t square into dx equal to 2 dt. So dx equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square. అంటే మనం dx ప్లేస్ లో ఏం రాయొచ్చు? In place of dx I can write as 2 dt by 1 plus t square divided by 4 plus 5 into, in the place of cos x I can write as 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square into, that's what, already we wrote dx means 2 dt. Okay, now let us do 0 to pi by 2 2 dt by 1 plus t square divided by, here nothing in the sense 1, as LCM is 1 plus t square, 4 into 1 plus t square, 4 into 1 plus t square plus 5 into 1 minus t square. 1 plus t square, 1 plus t square gets cancelled. So integral 0 to pi by 2 to dt by 4 1 ja 4 plus 4 into t square 4t square plus 5 1 ja 5 minus 5 into t square 5t square. So integral 0 to pi by 2 2 dt by, as 4 plus 5 9, 4t square minus 5t square which is equal to minus t square. Now how can I write? Integral 0 to pi by 2 2 dt by 9 I can write as 3 square minus t square. 2 let us take outside. Integral 0 to pi by 2 dt by 3 square minus t square. Children, now which is in the form of integral 0 to a 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by x square minus a square, which is in the form of integral 0 to a 1 by x square minus a square, which is the formula is 1 by 2a into 1 by 2 into a value 3 log 1 by 2a into log x minus a x plus a by log x plus a by x minus a plus c. 2 gets cancelled. 1 by 3 into log 3 t value what? We consider as tan x by 2 by 3 minus tan x by 2. Children, did you understand? This is very important. 4 mark question as well as 7 mark question. Recently they asked this question for 7 mark also. Simply, if it is dx, we need to write as 2 dt by 1 plus t square. If it is cos x, we need to write 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Then everything is as per the formula only. Okay children? So these are the most important 4 mark questions from the chapter definite integrals. So children, after watching the video, you try to solve the problem. This sum you need to do twice or thrice till you get the, each step you go one by one, then only you will get this sum. Okay children, don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends. Thank you.